What is the inclusion spectrum? Inclusive sport requires a range of choices for different people in different settings. Factors include functional ability, the sport being played, local opportunities, personal preferences. The inclusion spectrum helps you deliver sport in different ways for people with diverse abilities. Let's jump into the inclusion spectrum. No modifications. Everyone participates in the same activity. For example, a person with an intellectual disability may participate with players or athletes without intellectual disability at a local swimming club, playing soccer, or taking a yoga class. Minor modifications. Everyone participates in the same activity with a few small changes. For example, a person with a minor impairment uses slightly modified equipment or rules to keep things fair and fun, like two people with different abilities playing table tennis. Major modifications. People with disability participate with bigger changes to rules and adaptive equipment. For example, a person with more significant impairment uses modified or adaptive equipment or different rules to play in new and alternative ways, like hand cycling, primarily for people with disability, adapted and modified sports that everyone can play. For example, players without disability join in adapted or modified sport with players with disability to make teams and competitions viable, like wheelchair basketball or wheelchair rugby, only for people with disability. Adapted and modified sports just for players with disability. For example, some sports and competitions are designed just for people with the same or similar impairments to play with and against each other, like boccia and sitting volleyball, non-playing roles. There are many ways to get involved off the field. For example, as a coach, official, or volunteer. You can use the inclusion spectrum to discover new and exciting ways for everyone to play. Anything is possible.